A wise friend once told me, if you find yourself using the same Snagit tool more than 3 times, favorite it. I like that, so let me show you how. Most of the tools in Snagit have quick styles that you can customize. When you find one that you like and plan to use often, select it and click the star to add it to your favorites. As you add more tools to your favorites, you'll find them here on the toolbar. This can save you lots of time from having to jump from tool to tool when annotating your image captures. Click and drag to rearrange the order. If you want to remove a tool from your favorites, just select it and click the star. Or right-click the tool and choose Remove from Favorites. Another benefit to having favorites is when you're creating a video from images, your favorites are available so you can draw on your images while recording the video. Pretty cool. And now it's your turn.